Aries, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 13th of December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see for you is Ace of Pentacles, Judgment card, and Five of Swords. Now person B here, they have the Hermit card, Hierophant, and Nine of Wands. Bottom of the deck I have the World card, which means that either one of you needs to close an old chapter, and only then this chapter or this relationship will work out and you can focus on this particular relationship. Now from the first set of cards I see you have Ace of Pentacles, which means that you want a new beginning, and that beginning is based on Pentacle, which shows that you're looking forward towards stability. You want stability, commitment. The second card for you is Judgment card, which shows that you have taken a judgment call on something. You want to go ahead and do something which you have already decided, and you want to declare that, or just announce it to the entire world that this is the judgment call that you have taken. The next card that I see for you is Five of Swords. This means that there's some kind of competition. There's something there which is going to cause some kind of a rift, some kind of competition, some kind of misunderstandings also between you and your person. Now for person B here, the first card is Hermit card, which is Virgo energy. This means that this person is self-reflecting. They are just trying to self-reflect. They're thinking through things. The second card is Hierophant, which is Taurus energy, which means marriage, commitment. Maybe they're thinking about marriage and commitment. And the third card for this person is Nine of Wands, which means that they get stressed out, because Nine of Wands means stressed. It causes a lot of anxiety to them. So maybe this person is a little commitment phobic. Okay, this person is not ready for commitment, or maybe they had a previous experience, okay, which caused them to believe that there's too much of work when it comes to commitment. So this is something that this person is currently going through. Now with this, let's quickly see what is the intention of this person here. So the first card that I see is the Tower card, the Seven of Pentacles, and the King of Wands. With the Tower card, it means a sudden shake up. There could be something that will shake up this relationship all of a sudden. With Seven of Pentacles, it means that both of you may go back and self-reflect and see how much time, effort, energy has been put into this relationship. And with the King of Wands, it's again the energy of a fire sign. This is a go-getter sign. So whatever this person wants, could be a person, could be something materialistic, they will go ahead and get it. Now with this, let's also quickly go ahead and see what is the message we have from archangels and a crystal that can help you out in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is balance, spirituality, and practicality. So this means that you have to have a balance, okay, between spirituality and practicality. Now with this, we'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the message from archangels, and if there is a crystal that can also help you out in this particular situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Morganite. The crystal message being, are you ready to attract the best of everything? Do you believe the best is yet to come? Make a clear decision to manifest the good in this moment. Don't wait until tomorrow. You are being called to experience spirituality in everyday living. See all the love that is in everything. Now with this, there's also a message here from Archangel Uriel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box, and you can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.